You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in British English and American English. Now, it's another example of homophones, meaning two different words that have very different meanings, but the same pronunciation. So, the top word here is pronounced as humorous. This is a bone, a shoulder bone. Humorous. That's British English. Now, the Americans skip the M syllable and say humorous. The bottom word means funny, something that relates to humor. Humorous. Humorous, humorous, or humorous, as the Americans say it. So both those words have the exact same pronunciation, no difference. Humorous. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.